Want to know how to share your created website on Kimi? So Kimi has an option to share your website privately or with your friends or in the communities as well. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi AI application. So you can just simply do that or open up the kimi.com file as well. So the choice is yours. So once you have done that, on the leftmost side should be saying website. You can just simply prompt it to create a website and it should look something like this right here. So once everything is done, make sure you're on the preview, and once you're on the preview, it should look something like this. And now sharing your code is super easy, or sharing your preview is super easy as well. So right here you should be saying share right beside your preview or your name. This simple like share. And now here you should be seeing this option or the link that you can just simply copy up and send it to your friend and anyone. So you can either view your site directly or set to private as well, which will enable or disable the users to view it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.